Sao yo abana bantu naragerie miaka 3 no gitore na yanto ntosinyo na dipiti gavana kara Savana tole bobe saba seni na yasa digaseni gavana ya ita nkomo buati stole asechi jera chos kenya saba seni buyamono
mheshimiwa Monyenye, asante sana emambate kwane tibuya bono ntagete gotayo musiko Osoro iga omugavana nkorosi ari county ya Gucha eyera tigara atigana neragende myaka 10 okorosi ya Gucha okora omumuro yinche nkomubwatira koboko igana handingire kero gekyo tigatige gopinga no hiya tari konyaraganye tochoro toranenere tigangire libageri nkaribisho mo speaker ito Daktari Philip Nyanumba. Merembu yale moroji
mbija mono mbija to kuragira Your Excellency Governor, oro protocol observed abantu bami ntumbu ya mure mwenzi Savana oye today njende no mogoko and Your Excellency Governor, today is a special day because we have special guests. A team ya Savana. A team ya Savana, you made us proud, and I would only make one request to you. Today we are sitting here because of you. And my special request is that you continue to the next level. I am requesting you, mujaribu mtuweke Savana mahali akina Motego na Nyandro walifikisa Savana. And we as the assembly, we will make sure through the Minister of Sports, we will give our moral support na mahali tunaweza ndio tusaidie timu yetu ya Savana. Otherwise today yangu ni majaji sana. Sikuangi na maneno mengi, naona wajumbe wetu wako hapa. I can see mama county yako hapa, mjumbe wangu wako hapa. Kwa sababu ya wakati, sicherari, me as the speaker, my protocol iko so simple. My protocol is to invite His Excellency the Deputy Governor, aongee machacha, invite wachumbe, waongee maneno yao. Hiyo mimi kama speaker nimefungwa. Hiyo ingine protocol zingine ni sawa wao. So it is a request, Your Excellency the Deputy Governor, ukucha hapa ongea yako, uinvite hata wageni wengine wetu, wajumbe wetu, so that tuendelee kutoka hapo. Thank you very much.